Hey guys, Jake from PDR Canada here. I just wanted to show you a few things about how we fix hail damaged roofs. So if you just come over here, I can show you some of the tools. This is like a normal push tool. So essentially we're pushing the dents from underneath with it. If you come over here, you can see how we gain access to the roof. We drop the headliner. It's not very invasive. It's just a few clips and things, and we just lower it down. We're not completely removing it out of the vehicle. And this isn't the only tool we'd use on a roof. There's lots of different things, like there's braces we've talked about before with the whale tails. These here, this is called a door hanger. That gives me leverage to push with like the tool I was talking about earlier. So you slide that in, and if you look underneath here, you could see how that would push from underneath, and this gives me the leverage. And then I'll show you up on the roof here what the dents look like. The light makes the dents show up. Without the light, you're not really able to do the repairs. If you notice, I have one there, there's one right there. You kind of want to get every angle of the roof, because if you're not checking it from every angle, it's obviously easy to miss in between all these ribs and things like that. So we're just pushing on this one here to kind of give you an idea of how the repairs are done. And if you look, we're just slowly massaging it out. And the tip of the tool is not very big either. We're working with like a kind of like a ballpoint pen tip. So all the pushes have to be very accurate.
We had it lay back